Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Is your iPhone passcode giving you trouble? Or perhaps it's time for a security refresh? Fear not. In this video, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide. From quick tips to step-by-step instructions, let's get started. How to change passcode on iPhone. To change your iPhone passcode, open the Settings app and select Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode, then tap Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode again, then choose and confirm your new passcode. For different options, tap Passcode Options to select a custom alphanumeric or numeric code. How to reset iPhone passcode without data loss. If you're on iOS 17 and still remember your old passcode, you can switch it up without losing any of your stuff. Just keep this in mind. If you mess up your passcode 5 times in a row, you'll see a screen pop up. Hit the Forgot Passcode button, then select Enter Previous Passcode. Type in your old passcode and wait for your iPhone to give you the thumbs up. Once it's verified, you'll see a new screen where you can pick a new passcode. How to remove forgotten iPhone passcode from iPhone without iTunes and iCloud. Passixer iPhone Unlocker quickly removes iPhone passcodes, bypasses MDM locks, and clears screen time restrictions without a password. It handles 4-digit, 6-digit, or custom passcodes on any iOS device, bypasses iCloud activation lock, and fixes forgotten iTunes backup passcodes with an intuitive interface. To begin, visit the official Passixer website to download and install the application on your computer. After the installation is finished, open the Passixer application. In the main window, select the Wipe Passcode option and connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. The Passixer software will automatically identify your iPhone model and prompt you to download the required software for it. Click Start to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, take a moment to read the warnings regarding unlocking your iPhone. When prompted, enter 0000 to confirm your selection. Lastly, click Unlock to commence the unlocking process and wait patiently for it to finish. How to unlock iPhone without passcode and computer. This approach is applicable for iOS versions 15.2 and higher. First, repeatedly input an incorrect screen passcode on your iPhone until you encounter a message stating iPhone unavailable security lockout. Try again in X minutes. Then, look for and select the Erase iPhone option. This action will bring up a new screen titled Erase All Content and Settings. Choose Erase iPhone once more and enter your Apple ID password in the necessary field to proceed. Let me know if you need more details. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot.